Here are 6 website mistakes that are your conversion rates. And if you don't fix them, you're potentially throwing away hundreds of thousands of dollars without even knowing it. This means not considering the user's intent during the buying journey and failing to provide relevant content and calls to action for each stage. There are 2 solutions for this. Number 1 is surveys and interviews. Ask your users about needs, preferences, or pain points. Number 2 is analytics. Use Google Analytics to track user behavior. You want to be looking for bounce rate, page views, and unique visitors. Number 2 is neglecting micro interactions, overlooking the importance of small interactive design elements like animation. These enhance user engagement and create a more polished, satisfying user experience. Let's take a look at this example from Plant Switch. To go through their process in 4 steps, you just scroll down to the simple animation, and just like that, you're going through their whole process, and we move on. Super easy and effective. Number 3 is inconsistent branding across channels. You want to have consistent branding across different marketing channels, such as email, social media, or your website. Having these inconsistencies can create a disjointed experience. You want to be using a digital asset manager like Google Drive, Notion, or Dropbox. These can help you keep all your assets in one place, organized for your entire team to have access. Number 4 is ignoring accessibility. Not designing for accessibility, such as poor color contrast or lack of keyboard navigation, can exclude a significant amount of potential customers. You want to ensure all interactive elements, links, buttons, form fields, are accessible via keyboard. Use descriptive text for links rather than generic language like click here. This helps screen readers provide context about the link's destination. This also helps Google crawl your pages, helping with search rank and other compliances. Number 5, this is a super important one, is slow loading times. Websites that take too long to load can frustrate users, leading to high bounce rates and hurting your conversion rate. If your images are too big, they could be slowing down your website. Try a tool like TinyPNG or JPEG Mini to reduce the amount of information in your images. There's a great website called GTmetrix that's perfect for finding out what's wrong with your website. It's free to use. You can type in your website here and just test now. Basically, it gives you a grade and some ways you can improve performance. Number 6 is poor navigation. Confusing or unclear navigation can make it really difficult for users to find what they're looking for. This leads to frustration or abandoned transactions. One remedy for this is reduce the menu items to their most essential categories. What you want is clear and concise categories. Let's hop over here to Apollo.io to see an example. If you go to the resources tab on their page, all it has is learn, customers, partners. Super easy to navigate, or even the platform. Build a pipeline, close deals, improve performance. Whatever use case you might have, you can find it here easily and effectively. Right there is the 6 most deadly website mistakes that are ruining your conversion rates. Once you fix these mistakes, you're on track to have a high converting website that you're proud of. Also, click on this video to learn about the 7 principles of a high converting website, and we'll see you in the next one.